The Flores Eagle, or by the scientific name Nisaetus flores, is large bird endemic to the Lesser Sunda island of Indonesia. The Flores Eagle has a large body, white blackish brown feather, a grey-white chest, brown tail strips, a strong beak and claws, and sharp eyes. Birds, mice, even snakes are tasty meal for the Flores Eagle. A skilled hunter who is good at camouflage. Flores Eagle live in lowland to midland forests with tall trees and lots of prey. The Flores Eagle prefers to be alone in guarded territory. It builds a nest high in a tree to protect its young. In one laying, the Flores Eagle only produces one egg. This is also what makes the Flores Eagle increasingly rare. Human activities such as hunting, deforestation also cause the Flores Eagle population to become increasingly endangered.
A few moments later.